More Music School. Online piano course. Asterisk image only for illustration purposes. Course is online based and all digital. Includes 3 levels from very beginner to pro geared towards young adults and adults. 68 videos with lessons explaining everything you need to know and exercise songs being played. 68 printable exercise sheets explaining new notes and symbols and displaying exercise songs. Theory sheets to help deepen note reading and symbol recognition. Everything you need to know in one program to get you to love playing the piano and enjoy playing music of your choice in no time. Buy now for $299. Try now for only $19. $299 for the complete program with lifetime access plus payment plans available plus. Only $19 for 3 trial lessons with the option to purchase the complete program for $280. Things you can expect to learn. 68 short videos totaling almost 6 hours. Level 1, 1 hour 10 minutes. Exercise 1. Names and location of keys on the piano. Exercise 2. Middle C position. Playing by letters. Quarter notes. Exercise 3. Half notes. Whole notes. Exercise 4. C position. Treble and bass clefs. Notes placed on lines with letters written in. Time signatures April 4th, March 4th, and February 4th. Exercise 5. Notes on lines, without letters. Distinguishing between line and space notes. Tricks for remembering note names. Exercise 6. Playing on the grand staff. Measures. Repeat sign. Exercise 7. Rest signs. Fingering indicators. Exercise pieces, Ode to Joy and Mary Had a Little Lamb. Exercise 8. Melodic second and third intervals. Exercise pieces, Tisket, a Tasket, Itsy Bitsy Spider. Exercise 9. Harmonic second and third intervals. Dynamic signs, piano, mezzo forte and forte. Exercise 10. Melodic fourth and fifth intervals. Exercise 11. Harmonic fourth and fifth intervals. Exercise pieces, Hush Little Baby, Humpty Dumpty. Exercise 12. C major chord. Exercise pieces, C chord song, Ode to Joy, Jingle Bells. Exercise 13. G7 chord for left hand. Tempo signs. Use of metronome. Exercise piece, O. Susanna. Exercise 14. G7 chord for right hand. Tied notes. Exercise pieces, Merrily We Roll Along, When the Saints Go Marching In. Exercise 15. Slur. Staccato notes. Exercise piece, Musette in D. Exercise 16. F major chord for the left hand. Flat sign. Exercise piece, Oralie. Exercise 17. Natural sign. Exercise pieces, You Are My Sunshine, Go Tell It on the Mountain. Level 2, 1 hours 58 minutes. Level 1 review. Exercise 18. High G position. Dotted quarter note. Exercise pieces, Good King Wenceslas, row, row, row your boat. Exercise 19. G major chord. D7 chord for the left hand. Chord symbols. Exercise pieces, Down by the Station, lightly row. Exercise 20. G major chord. D7 for the right hand. Pedal indicator. Exercise piece, We Three Kings. Exercise 21. C major chord in G position on the left hand. Incomplete measures. Fermata sign. Exercise pieces, She'll be coming around the mountain, the hokey pokey. Exercise 22. C major chord in the G position on the right hand. Exercise piece, Itsy Bitsy Spider. Exercise 23. Broken chords. Exercise piece, Red River Valley. Exercise 24. More styles of broken chords. Exercise piece, Take Me Out to the Ballgame. Exercise 25. Switching between two positions. Crescendo and diminuendo. Exercise piece, On Top of Old Smoky. Exercise 26. Middle C position. Exercise piece, Oh Christmas Tree. Exercise 27. Eighth notes. Exercise pieces, Happy Birthday, Skip to My Lou. Exercise 28. Eighth notes in different positions. First and second endings. Exercise pieces, Yankee Doodle, This Old Man, The Galway Piper. Exercise 29. Reviewing the dotted quarter note. Dynamic sign, Mezzo piano. Exercise pieces, Deck the Halls, Silent Night. Exercise 30. Melodic and harmonic sixth intervals. Accent sign. Exercise pieces, Alouette, Kumbaya. Exercise 31. Sixth intervals in different positions. Exercise piece, Blow Ye Winds. Exercise 32. Melodic and harmonic seventh intervals and octaves. Exercise piece, Greensleeves. Exercise 33. C major scale. Half steps. Whole steps. Tetrachords. Exercise piece, Can. Exercise 34. Chords moving along the C major scale. Exercise piece, The Cat Came Back. Exercise 35. Key of G major. G major scale. Exercise piece, Joy to the World. Exercise 36. Key of F major. F major scale. Primary chords in the key of F. Exercise piece, Auld Lang Syne. Exercise 37. Block and broken chords in the key of F major. Exercise piece, Chiapanikas. Exercise 38. Key of A minor. A minor scale. Natural, harmonic and melodic minor scales. 8 VA. Exercise piece, Waltz in A minor. Exercise 39. Primary chords in A minor. Overlapping pedal. Exercise piece, House of the Rising Sun. Exercise 40. Key of D minor. D minor scale. New position, D. Exercise piece, Toccata in D minor. Exercise 41. Primary chords in key of D minor. Arpeggiated chords. Time signature 3/8. Exercise piece, Minuet in D minor. Level 3, 2 hours 38 minutes. Level 2 review. Exercise 42. Key of E minor. Triplets. Bass and treble clef used on opposite lines. Exercise piece, Moonlight Sonata. Exercise 43. Primary chords in E minor. Dotted eighth note. Exercise piece, Prelude in E minor. Exercise 44. Key of D major. 16th notes. Exercise piece, Canon in D. Exercise 45. Primary chords in D major. Exercise piece, Hallelujah Chorus. Exercise 46. Chromatic scale. Exercise piece, Entry of the Gladiators. Exercise 47. First inversion. Exercise piece, Waves of the Danube. Exercise 48. Second inversion. Exercise piece, Brahms' Lullaby, Hawaiian Sunset. Exercise 49. Two-part writing. Dynamic sign, PMF, fortissimo. Exercise piece, Pomp and Circumstance number 1. Exercise 50. Key of B-flat major. B-flat major scale. Time signature 6/8. Grace notes. Exercise piece, Cantabile in B-flat. Exercise 51. Primary chords in B-flat major as block and broken chords. Exercise piece, La Donna E mobile. Exercise 52. Key of G minor. G minor scale. Exercise piece, Minuet in G minor. Exercise 53. Primary chords in G minor. Common time. Cut time. Exercise piece, Symphony number 40 in G minor. Exercise 54. Diminished and augmented triads. Crossing hands. Exercise piece, Pirate's Song. Exercise 55. Key of E-flat major. E-flat major scale. Exercise piece, Stars and Stripes Forever. Exercise 56. Primary chords of E-flat major. Exercise piece, Nocturne in E-flat major. Exercise 57. Key of C minor. C minor scale. Primary chords of C minor. Exercise piece, Symphony number 5 in C minor. Exercise 58. Key of A major. A major scale. Primary chords in A major. DSL fine. Exercise piece, Rockin' Robin. Exercise 59. Key of F sharp minor. F sharp minor scale. Primary chords in F sharp minor. Trills. Sextuplets. Exercise piece, Chaconne in F sharp minor. Exercise 60. Key of E major. E major scale. Primary chords in E major. Exercise piece, Amazing Grace. Exercise 61. Key of C sharp minor. C sharp minor scale. Primary chords in C sharp minor. Ritardando. A tempo. Exercise piece, O come, Emmanuel. Exercise 62. Key of B major. B major scale. Primary chords in B major. Double sharp. Exercise piece, Plaisir d'amour. Exercise 63. Key of G sharp minor. G sharp minor scale. Primary chords of G sharp minor. Exercise piece, Carol of the Bells.